So this is just an additional example for our chapter 2 bago tayo mag-proceed sa another topic. So find the components of the given force and the direction angles with respect to the positive reference axis. So this is the continuation of our vectors. So we have here a force that is 600 pounds. And then positioned at point A and point B. So our first step here, so our first step here is to determine yung points ng A tsaka B. Okay? So, anong points ng A? So, you may participate, okay, para alam ko kung nakakasunod kayo. So, pag sinabi nating coordinates ng point A, magsisimula tayo sa x-axis. So, sa x-axis, anong equivalent coordinate niya? We have 0. So, ito yung x-axis natin, no? You can see this is the x-axis. So, yung ating point A, nakalay lang siya sa y and z axis. So, yung ating z or x coordinate for point A is 0. Okay? For y axis, ito yung positive natin, positive y. Ito yung negative. So, we have here negative. Our y is equal to 3 sine or negative, oh yes, later on 3 sine 60 degrees. So bakit 3 sine 60 degrees? So let's take into consideration tong triangle na to. Triangle na yan. Lipat natin dito. So we have here 60 degrees and this is 3 feet. So ito yung right angle. So we have here sine of 60 degrees. Ito yung kinukuha natin. This is y and this is z. So 60 degrees opposite. So katawa tayo opposite. So we have y all over hypotenuse 3. That's why we have y is equal to 3 sine of 60 degrees. So this is equal to ilan to?
2.60, ma'am.
So we have 2.60. So kahit online tayo, kindly participate. Bring out your calculator and then mag-calculator tayo. Okay? And then for z, so our z axis, our z coordinate, so we have cosine of 60 degrees is equal to adjacent z all over the hypotenuse of 3. Therefore, we have 3 cosine 60. So this is equal to
1.5, ma'am.
1.5. Okay. Ilagay natin dito. We have here negative 2.6. So bakit negative? Ito yung ating positive y-axis. Yung ating point A is located dito sa left part. Kung saan yung opposite ng ating positive y. That's why we have negative 2.6 and then our z is positive. Pataas siya. So we have positive 1.5. Okay? And then for our B, point B, okay, x, y, z ulit tayo. X, y, z axis. So x, so we have this one, distance from the origin, 5 feet. Y-axis, we have this one. From the origin, papunta dito sa point B, we have 1.5. And then for z-axis, we have 0. Okay, next, meron na tayong point A tsaka point B. So, erase na natin to. Ay, sige, later on na lang. So, ang pinapahanap is the components of the given force. So, pag sinabi natin components, we have Fx, Fy, and Fz. So, yan yung hinahanap ng ating problem. So to find that, we have our equation. So if you go back to our discussion last time dun sa ating slide, we have our formula for our force. Yan. Is equal to yung ating vector F is equal to the magnitude of the force F multiplied by our unit vector U. Kung saan yung unit vector U natin is equal to the position vector R divided by the magnitude of R. Okay. So yan, given yung formula na yan during our last meeting. So, meron na tayong position vector R. So, pag sinabi nating position vector R, ayan, position vector R, we are just subtracting. This one is the head of the arrow, and this is the tail. So, ang gagawin natin dito is head minus tail. Okay? And we are referring to the vector. Therefore, naka-I, J, K yung ating position vector. Therefore, yung head natin, ang coordinates ng head natin is equal to 5, 1.5, tsaka 0. And then, yung tail natin is equal to 0, negative 2.6, positive 1.5. Eraser. Yan. So, yung ating tail is 0, negative 2.6, tsaka positive 1.5. So, the position vector R is just equal to head minus tail na naka-I, J, K. Okay? So, we have here 5 minus 0. Head minus tail tayo. Ito yung ating head. And this is our tail. So, we have 5 minus 0. We have 5. 1.5 minus negative 2.6. So, ilan? Huwag niyo akong pag-mentalin. 1.5 minus negative 2.6.
4.1.
4.1. So, we have positive 4.1. And then 0 minus negative 5 is of course negative 1.5. And sabi natin, position vector, therefore, it must be 5i plus 4.1j minus 1.5k. So, ito na yung ating position vector R. So, convert natin yan into I, J, K. Okay, head minus tail, tapos naka-I, J, K. Therefore, we have 5i plus 4.1j minus 1.5k. And then, computing for the magnitude is just the square root of 5 squared plus 4.1 squared plus negative 1.5 squared. So, pag sinabi na natin magnitude of the position vector, kukunin lang natin yung square root ng I, J, K. So, this is equal to
6.64, ma'am.
Don't forget to put ating unit din dito. So, 5i plus 4.1k minus 1.5k. Okay. Our magnitude of the position vector R is equal to 6.64. Therefore, we are now ready to substitute what's in here. So, erase na tayo. So, substitute na natin to. So, we have here force vector is equal to the magnitude multiplied by U. So, yung U natin is equal to position vector R divided by the magnitude of R. So, direct na lang natin. Therefore, force vector is equal to, so yung force natin is equal to 600 pounds. So, 600 multiplied by position vector R. So, we have 5i plus 4.1J minus 1.5K all over 6.64 pounds. So this one is naka-fit. Ito is naka-fit also. Cancel, cancel. So we are left with pounds. Ito is naka-pounds. So this is equal to, so kindly compute 600 multiplied by 5 divided by 6.64. Okay, so distribute nyo lang yung 600. So that is equal to, okay, ilan? 400.
451.81.
0.81 I plus next
370.48 mo.
370.48 J minus
135.54 mo.
135.54 K. So don't forget the units. So this is in pounds. So meron na tayong force vector. Ang hinihingi ng problem is the components of the given force. Therefore, this is our Fx, this is our Fy, and this is our Fz. Therefore, Fx is equal to 451.81 pounds. Remember, components yung hinahanap, kaya no need to put the I. Okay. Next one, Fy is equal to 370.48 pounds, and Fz is equal to negative 135.54 pounds. Don't forget the sign. So ito yung hinahanap for the first part. The next one is the positive reference axis. Positive reference axis. Next time, ituturo ko na lang sa inyo on Wednesday yung Caltech dito. Dun sa section B na ituro ko na. Those Caltech, applicable lang siya for checking, okay? Not for the solution. Madali lang naman yung Caltech nito. So, ilalabas niya yung mga X, Y, Z components for a certain vector. So, remind nyo ako on Wednesday para ituro ko sa inyo yung technique nito for the calculator. Okay, next, we have here the direction angles. So, we have here theta x, theta y, and theta z. So, ito yung missing. So, meron kayong formula on the last meeting also that we have our cosine theta x is equal to fx divided by, or the force component, x divided by the magnitude of f. Okay. And then also with our cosine theta y, fy all over f, and then cosine theta z is equal to fz divided by f. Therefore, our theta x is equal to inverse cosine of ano yung fx natin? So, fx natin is 451.81 divided by 600. So, pa-compute. That is in degrees. Okay, naka-degrees yan. Ilan?
41.15.
41.15
15.
degrees. Okay, 41.15 degrees. And for our theta y, we have here fy. So, yung fy natin is 370.48 divided by 600. So, this is equal to
51.87.
51.87 degrees. And for our theta z, first of FJ, negative, okay? Huwag kalimutan yung negative sign. So we have 135.54 divided by 600. So this is equal to
103.06, ma'am.
103.06 degrees. Therefore, our final answer will be for theta x, 41.15 degrees, theta y, 51.87 degrees, and for theta z, we have 103.06 degrees. So, ito na yung ating final answer for the components of the force and of course the direction angle. Okay? So, this is the answer. So, may discrepancy. Konti lang naman yung discrepancy. 41.15. Okay. May discrepancy lang ng kaunti.